In this video, I'll show you what to do in case one of your Beats Studio Buds or Beats Studio Buds Plus is not working. So you're only receiving audio from one of them and the other one, well, nothing is happening. Well, there's a few different solutions, so let's get started. The first one I always recommend is to start with a reset. So go ahead and put them back in the case. And once this is done, you're going to find this middle button here inside of the case. Keep this button pressed during about 15 seconds. And after 15 seconds, this will flash red twice. And then you can release that button because they will be resetted and you'll need to reconnect them with your device. So over here, it's not happening. Okay, red, and then I can release. Now it flashed 3 times red, that's not a problem. It simply means that you can go ahead and connect them again. If this didn't solve your issue, if you're still only hearing on one side, you can check first of all that the one that is not working is actually charging. Make sure that those pins inside are clear of any debris or earwax. I know after a few months of wearing them, you can get some dust there that forbids these to make contact. But if this still does not solve the issue, even after cleaning this, what you can do is, well, we can leave them in the case. Now, the other thing that you can try is to take your iPhone, open the settings, and we need to scroll down until you select accessibility. You see this here? Click on that option, go down, select AirPods. I know this is a Beats product, but simply click on AirPods, go down, and you should select audio accessibility settings. Go down and make sure that balance over here is right in the middle. If it's in the middle, take it, move it to the left or the right like this, and then put it back in the middle. If it was in the middle, simply by moving this small adjuster here, you're gonna reset that setting. Okay, so leave it in the middle. Now go back, open your music app and try listening again, and hopefully this time it will solve your issue. If you have other tricks on how to solve this problem, please leave a comment down below. I'm really curious, or if one of these tricks worked in your case, again, leave a comment. I'll be very happy to know that you got rid of this problem. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.